So I got an interesting project coming up here. I got this from Nathaniel, guy, how to drill your well in your backyard. And what I'm going to do is take this dewar, which I fill with liquid nitrogen to cold temper everything. And I'm going to take a blade I got from him and I'm going to cold temper it. That way it lasts a lot longer, and I'm probably even going to do the innards of the pneumatic tool that's in there. Once I get this all set up, I'll be able to drill my own well and or do it for geothermal heating cooling system, as well as an experiment I plan to do. So just the initial getting ready to do this, and wanted to record it. Okay, I'm just about ready. I got in the drill bit that you use at the end of the drill for the well. Here is the guts of it. Basically, it's a pneumatic tool that's set in there. So I'm going to cold temper not only the drill bit, but the pneumatic tool itself, and put it in this chamber and pour in some liquid nitrogen. And we're going to make sure this is really rock solid so it lasts a long time. So I'm going to do this, and then I'll have a video afterwards, and we'll go from there. And by the way, I will put in the description Nathaniel. He's the guy who created this device which drills for wells. It's quite intriguing. So I'll put in a link so you can check it out. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I'm going to be tempering a bunch of razors as well, and pretty much anything else I can find. When I temper these razors, I love them. They're great. I give them out as Christmas gifts, and I mean, they last a long time. A lot longer than the disposable thing. In fact, most of the time, the strips on them wear out before the blades do. That's how cold tempering really affects it. Stainless steel blade, it really ramps it up quite considerably. Okay, I just picked up my liquid nitrogen, and I'm going to be using this to temper everything. So anyways, after this next part, you can see it fogging off. It's pretty good. Anyways, I'm going to start the process, and in about 24 hours I will have hardened steel. So we're here in my basement slash workshop, and I got these all in the wraps. They're inside there with liquid nitrogen, and there's some more stuff inside the dewar. And we'll see what happens in 24 hours, and it should be just like it's been doing, you know, last few times I've done this, and it works great. Outside of that, I'll be back on another section of this video to show the results and go from there. Okay, cold tempering is done. 24 hours later, and there we go. So just gotta wait till these things do they're actually still quite cold. Anyways, there's razor blades in there and a bunch of other things. So I'm going to find out how this works, and we'll put this all on and make sure everything's running good and get ready for some drilling. Okay, here we go. Bunch of razors I tempered, one big blade for drilling, and the pneumatic tool for the drill itself, and there it is. And I will be putting this into action and doing the drilling and seeing how well everything holds up.